Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the AirCase 2.5-inch hard disk case. This comes in this packet. Let me just remove this packet first and show you the hard disk case in question. And there you go. This is what the AirCase 2.5-inch hard disk case looks like. This is primarily designed to contain hard disks and also external hard disks as well. This comes with this shockproof body and a mesh design on top as well. There's also this pleather strap over here. It makes it look really classy. Let's take a look inside. And there you go. You have this elastic strap that will hold the hard disk in place, and there's a pouch over here for keeping your cables. I don't have a 2.5-inch hard disk with me right now, but I do have a solid state drive, a smaller solid state drive, something like this. This can easily fit in over here as you can see. So you can hold, actually, if you have say a hard disk and a solid state drive, this particular bag gives you enough space to hold both. And as I mentioned earlier, this pouch is for the cable, the connecting cable. And there you go, I had the connecting cable for this SSD. This goes in pretty snugly over here. Now let's close this up. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the AirCase 2.5-inch hard disk case. Thank you for watching.